Welcome to the Nextcloud Storage Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are in the description below. Nextcloud is an open-source cloud storage platform that focuses on giving users complete control over their data, making it an excellent choice for individuals, businesses, and organizations concerned about privacy and flexibility. With its self-hosted approach, Nextcloud allows you to store, manage, and share files securely on your own servers, offering a level of customization unmatched by many commercial cloud services. Nextcloud's key features include advanced file syncing and sharing capabilities, ensuring your data is accessible across devices while keeping it private. It supports end-to-end encryption, both in transit and at rest, safeguarding sensitive information. Collaboration is at the heart of Nextcloud, offering tools like shared folders, real-time document editing with integrated Office suites like OnlyOffice or Collabora Online, and seamless communication through built-in video conferencing and chat. These features make it ideal for teams, small businesses, or even large enterprises looking to streamline workflows. Nextcloud is also highly extensible, with a vast library of apps and integrations. You can add functionalities like calendar and contact management, task tracking, email integration, and even a password manager. This modular approach allows users to build a tailored storage and productivity environment that meets their specific needs. It's compatible with desktop, mobile, and web platforms, ensuring that you can access your files and workspaces wherever you are. One of the standout features of Nextcloud is its commitment to privacy. Since it's self-hosted, you control where and how your data is stored, making it a top choice for those wary of third-party data policies. Its scalability also makes it appealing to businesses of all sizes, as it can grow alongside your requirements. In summary, Nextcloud offers a powerful, secure, and customizable alternative to mainstream cloud services, perfect for anyone who values privacy and control. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a business looking for a collaborative and secure platform, Nextcloud delivers. Check out the links in the description for more details.